Right, so just a really quick video. Another substitute for hand gel, hand sanitizer. I don't know whether they still sell this with this label because it's quite old. I had this for a while, but if you get something similar and check the ingredients, then you know it'd work. But it's reviving foot spray. I've only got a little bit in there left at the minute, but so Boots reviving foot spray. It says with mint, witch hazel and cypress. Now it doesn't say what percentage of alcohol's in this, but it's pretty high, I think, considering it will light, and it says keep away from a naked flame or whatever. You may have to look online to see what percentage it needs to be to light, if you know what I mean, but that does light. I'll show you. So an empty lighter, see it there? So it does light. So it's got quite a substantial amount of alcohol in it. So yeah, check that out if you can get anything like that. Reviving foot spray from Boots. You'd have to just look, you know what I mean. I've had this for ages, but I just thought I'd show you that. Right, anyway, like I said, just a very quick video just to show you that, another substitute for hand gel. Right, anyway, I hope everyone's safe, you know, got all the stuff you need and everything. Everything's getting a little bit weird, it's probably going to get even weirder, so just be prepared for whatever, you know, who knows, you know what I mean, you might have to self-isolate or whatever, and anyway, good luck to everybody and hope you all stay safe. Right, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.